Digest, April 2022. Idea: best investment idea of the month. Rising prices for food products are pushing up the value of the stocks of food manufacturers. In the past, the Kraft Heinz transaction was closed in the optimal investment portfolio with the profit of $443.20. The position was closed at the expected price. Foundation: main event of the month. The main fundamental event was the results of the ECB meeting in April. The European regulator stockpiles from any measures to curb the inflationary mass in Europe and persistent stockpiles to print another 90 billion euros in June. In contrast, the Federal Reserve in America is able to cut the American mass at a turnover rate of $100 billion a month. The tendency to let inflationary processes take their course prompted former ECB chief economist Otmar Issing, one of the architects of the euro system, to say that the ECB is in a fantasy world, a trap that risks turning inflation into stagflation. The German newspaper Bild dubbed ECB President Christine Lagarde Madame Inflation. The likely action could lead to increased risks to the economy and a huge number of achievements in Europe that will be put to better use. Stock market, not to be missed. In the stock market, the shares of companies that will best show the strength of their business monetization schemes will be in the highest demand. Most of the attention will be drawn to the dynamics of the shares of global technology giants such as Apple, Google, Amazon or Tesla, which have already successfully reported and will be considered by large market participants as a safe haven for investment, as well as shares of consumer segment companies that specialize in daily use goods, everyday life essentials, such as diapers and other hygiene products or baby food, by Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson or products of European companies like Nestlé or Danone. In the face of a shortage of money in many families, people are not accustomed to saving on breakfast. The accelerated growth of Coca-Cola or McDonald's shares is also clearly visible. Investments in economy-class business may be a real hit in the coming months, but the big money driving the market will be based on companies that can produce really strong financial reports in May.